I grabbed this metal ring from Target. It was $3, and I want to say it's about 12 inches in diameter. And I took some garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. They have a ton of cute fall garland there, and all the fall items are 40% off. And I got these clear zip ties right from the dollar store. And I started by just wrapping the garland around the metal ring, and I'm holding it in place with the clear zip ties. Now these felt pieces on the garland move and slide across a piece of string. So I'm just bunching it into sections, and then I'm just taking my clear zip tie and attaching the string to the metal ring. And then when I bunch the next section, it hides that zip tie that I just used. And I just did this until I had the garland covering the entire ring. Once the entire ring was covered, I just took my scissors and I cut the zip ties. I got this Hello Fall sign from Target as well. It was also in the $3 section. And the word fall was in individual blocks. So I just glued those together, and then I glued the hello on top of it. You can use some wood glue as well. I got these screw eyes from Hobby Lobby, and I took two and screwed them into the right side of the sign. And they're just small little screws that have a little hoop on the end. They are tiny, so it takes a couple twists to get it into the wood. And you're just going to screw it in until you feel like it's nice and secure. And that's what that will look like. And I did another one below it. And then I repeated the same thing on the left side. I put one on the top and one on the bottom. Now these screw eyes come in different sizes. I placed the Hello Fall sign in the center of the wreath, and I took two of the clear zip ties and I put them through each of the screw eyes on the left side and attached them to the left of the ring. And then I repeated this on the right side. Now I'm not fully tightening my zip ties just yet. I'm just getting them placed on there. And then once I had them attached, I just slowly pulled on each zip tie on the left and right sides until I felt it was tightened enough and the sign was centered. And this is how I attached it to the center. And there is a hanger on the top that came with the ring as well. Then I just cut down those zip ties. And now you can just leave it like this. I still think that looks really cute. But I decided to take another fall garland. Now this garland had some knit balls that just hung from it. And I cut each of those off of the string. And I just took my hot glue and I glued them around the wreath. And I used 8 of them to complete the wreath. And that's it. Now we have this Hello Fall wreath that we made from some garland. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.